immensely familiar with the spell of word global warming. But do you know what this word exactly means? Before that, let me introduce myself. Hello everyone and wish you a very warm good morning. I am Saswatee Mishra of Class 8C and today I am here with the topic global warming and its impacts. Let me put you in a situation. Just think for a moment that you are given to wear a woolen sweater on a hot summer day. It's obvious that you will start sweating, you will be exhausted and your body full with rashes. In the same way, when our Mother Earth is made to be covered up with a pollution blanket from all around, it also causes various difficulties for the environment and also for us, like the melting of polar ice caps, the warming up of oceans, and all this leading to the life extinction. A great quote says that the global warming is not just a prediction, but it's actually happening, and the impacts of global warming are just proving it right true. How can you forget about the Uttarakhand tragedy that took place on June 2013, killing 6,000 lives in the multi-day cloudburst, devastating floods and landslides? Not only that, we also should not forget about the frequently taking cases of disasters and cyclones in our country itself, like the cyclones of Nisarg, Amphan, Fani, and we should not also forget about the great tsunamis that hit the islands of Andaman and Nicobar in 2006. All this frequently taking place of cyclones and disasters all over the world are just proving one thing, that is the impacts of human-caused global warming. You heard me right. The human beings are the main and the root cause of all this global warming going on. Now, one wonders how can we become the causes of global warming? It's simple. The emission of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere just make pores in the ozone, allowing the UV rays to come into the Earth's surface. That increases the global temperature and this leads to climatic fluctuation. That decreases the crop production and also that makes problems while melting the polar ice caps, icebergs, glaciers, filling up the oceans to the nearby lands. Research says that by 2050, if the melting rate does not slow it down, that most of the cities would erase from the map of the world. Not only that, last year itself a true impact was in front of our eyes. The city of Venice just got flooded for 3 times continuously in a week. Not only that, how can you forget we had to regret a lot on the loss of the Odisha Iceland. I hope so that we won't have to regret anymore for such situations in future. But if you also want this, then don't forget that we are the only ones who can combat against global warming. So with this, in a nutshell, it's your choice whether you want a safe and clean earth or do you want an earth filled with sadness and disasters. I wish you a great day for you. With this, thank you.